Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this kind of a short video session where we will be exploring the concept of creating the perfect hero section design. We will be seeing how you can create the perfect hero section by looking onto some present live examples. We will be taking some inference from that, and I have also created one hero section for you. We will be exploring that as well. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's quickly get started. So what's today's agenda? So today's agenda is to master the hero section design in a very quick format. So there are three major points to master when it comes in designing the hero section. What are these points? These are layout, content and design. So these are three major points that are required when you want to master the hero section design. Very first we have the layout. So quickly kind of sketch out or create a basic wireframe when you have the brief, when you are working on the hero section design. Play around with different layouts and see whichever fits best. Second, we have the content. So what content goes into when you are creating a hero section design? The very first we have the title, the subtitle, hero image, CTAs, social proofs, news, updates, new updates kind of thing, kind of a very small button. So these are basically what content comes, like what generally content is present in a hero section design. And very third we have the design. So design is basically your own creativity. The color, the typography, the combinations that you use is basically what comes into design. Well, you are a designer. You are creating this concept, you are creating these designs. So you definitely have a design eye. You just need to show your own creativity and pour that creativity, that magic onto canvas. So always try and test whatever combinations you like and see whenever the magic happens. So these are the three major points when it comes when we are designing and mastering a basic hero section design. Now let us move on to some of my example. I've created a basic kind of hero section. You can see this is a kind of a hero section built for a trip to Mars. So this is the title which says it all, which is trip to Mars. So the title should be very much crisp and clear. It should not be kind of misleading. 1 to 2 sentence at maximum is something which is allowable, and the title should be very much clear and easy to understand. It can be kind of a trailer or teaser for your website or for your product you are serving or you have created this website for. Then second we have the subtitle. So subtitle is generally considered as a supporting title. So whatever thing you have, so here we have trip to Mars, and in subtitle we have join the first generation of Martian explorers on an unforgettable adventure. So it just kind of explains what your product, what your service, what your website is all about. So subtitle should be a kind of brief explanation of your product or service. Then we have the CTAs. So what CTAs are basically what you want your users to do with this website, to do with this product. So right now here we have book your mission today. So I want users to book their flights and be the very first few ones to have trip to Mars right now. Okay. Then we have the kind of a social proof. What is the social proof? That 600 tickets have been booked, right? So this basically kind of creates some trust in the minds of user that okay, this is something which is trustworthy, and which is an authenticate kind of a product. Already people have interacted with, have used this, and this is safe to use. So this is basically a kind of a social proof. Then we have the image should be image is something which is important. It should complement whatever brief, whatever design, whatever text on the hero section is all about. It should be kind of navigating those texts, navigating those information, and it should always complement whatever information you are putting on the website. So this is kind of a basic, this is basically a kind of distribution of whatever I have said. This was a kind of layout that I was also working on, so you can always try and play with different layouts as well, and you can always showcase this to your client as well, and whatever thing he approves, that's the best one. Now let us see some of the live examples, like how designers in real life have created marvelous looking hero sections. So you can see this is a screenshot which I have taken from linear.app website, and this is basically the hero section, this on the screen, and if you would see that it is very well written. So the major purpose of mine was from the screenshot was to make you understand that how to write title, subtitle as well. This is a screenshot which is taken from Relume.io website, which is also a very amazing design resource, and you can see how well designed and how easy to understand the information on this website is, like how easy it is to understand and see what their product is all about. Then we have our own Figma's website, right? So these are all well designed and kind of a website which is considered or which is into the elite list of very well designed websites. Now this is basically a basic introduction on how to create a hero section design or how to create a hero section layout. Now with this you can create basic looking stuffs. You can create also an intermediate looking website, but if you really want to get the wow effect into the mind of users, if you really want your users to stick around to your website and explore your website more and more, then you should probably master 2 more skills and upgrade yourself as a designer. So what are those skills? So to upgrade to a pro level designer or seasoned web designer, remember these 2 points, 2 important points, which are animations and interactions. So animation and interactions are a necessity and are the benchmark for creating marvelous looking websites. You want your user to spend more and more time on the website, right? On your website, on your web design. So how you can do that? You can do that by providing them with some interactions, with some animations that they feel that they have seen something new and they have seen something extraordinary. For this inspiration, I would really recommend you to visit the diagram.com website. It is very well designed, very well, and the designers would love this. The design is something that would really melt your heart. If you love creating websites and love creating web designs or mobile designs, so you should definitely visit the diagram.com website. It is kind of an very inspiring inspiration. Yeah. So this is the way you can level up your hero section design. Now I will provide all the resources that I have shown in the video into the description box, so you can always refer it anyways. This was it from my side as of now, and I will see you next time with some more complicated looking but actually simple design related concept, and we will try to reason up all those things and we'll come up with more design related concepts. Important reminder that web designing is simple, so let's make it simple and let's keep it simple.